Hi! In front of me is POCO C40 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. First of all, you need to access settings. Now scroll down and click on sound and vibration over here. Then scroll down again. After that, click on this switcher next to vibratoin ringing to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on this switcher next to vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Then click on vibrate on tap. Over here you can disable touch vibrations completely by selecting off or tap on one of those options to select intensity of them. I will go with medium. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!